I got a question for you. Is your bathroom dirty right now? Does your bathtub got the little gray marks all over the, you know what I'm saying, all over the floor? Do you got hair all over your bathroom floor? Does your toilet got hair all over it? If so, if you want to be rich, go clean that bathroom right now. And I'm so serious, bro. If you go clean your bathroom right now, I guarantee you, if you stay consistent with it and start cleaning your bathroom every week, you're going to be rich. What's good, YouTube, man? It's your boy GLX back with another video for y'all, man. And in this video, I'm going to be explaining to y'all why cleaning your bathroom is going to get you rich. Basically, man, this is kind of a serious video because understand that if you live with your parents, if you're like in high school or just got into college or something, and you still live with your parents, or even if you live by yourself, cleaning your bathroom is something really simple. It's something that's kind of hard, but it's really simple, but like it goes a long way. You feel what I'm saying? Understand that when you commit to cleaning your bathroom at least once every week or every 2 weeks, something that's consistent, you can consistently clean your bathroom. You are basically doing something that you don't want to do, but you know it's going to benefit you. And that is one of the core tenets to becoming rich, is doing things that you know you don't want to do, but you know it's going to benefit you in the future. Delayed gratification. I'm not going to lie, cleaning my bathroom was a fucking like, it was almost like a nuclear, it was almost like going to war for me. You feel what I'm saying? Like, I really did not want to even touch the hair on my floor, the dirt around my bathtub, under my toilet. I didn't want to touch that shit. You feel what I'm saying? Some of y'all, that might not be the case, but for me, that was the case. And what changed for me was realizing that if I start doing this small thing, this is a small habit, but it goes a long way. And small habits are how you get rich. You ever heard this phrase, how you do one thing is how you do everything? That is very, very true. How you do one thing is how you do everything. Cleaning your bathroom, if you clean your bathroom at least once every week, once every 2 weeks, in a consistent way, you unlock that consistency to do that everywhere. You're able to be consistent everywhere. Because think about it, if you can really do this thing that you hate at least every day, if you can do this, then what more can't you do? You feel what I'm saying? Like, what can't you do? You feel me? The same thing goes for making your bed, if I'm being honest. Making your bed. If you can make your bed in the morning, just that little boring task that you don't want to do, that you think is boring, but like you really just know you have to do it. If you can do that, then what more can you do? You feel what I'm saying? Cleaning your bathroom, it's very, I want to say tedious. You feel what I'm saying? But I don't think it's tedious. It's the act of doing it, and to me it feels dirty, disgusting. You feel what I'm saying? You don't want to do it. It's the act of actually going out and doing it. Because understanding life, going out, actually preparing to do something is far worse than actually doing the thing. Going to the gym, it's not about going to the gym. It's about getting your mind ready to go to the gym. It's about getting your mind up to go to the gym. It's about waking up and being able to go to the gym. You feel what I'm saying? After you go to the gym, you feel great after you go to the gym. But before you go to the gym, you feel like you don't really want to go. You feel like that resistance. You feel what I'm saying? The same goes for cleaning your bathroom. You don't want to clean your bathroom because it might be dirty. You feel that resistance, but that same thing can apply for your business. The same thing can apply for YouTube. The same thing can apply for real estate. The same thing can apply for stocks. Anything that makes you money, the same thing could apply. Anything that applies for work, the same thing could apply, because it's all things that you don't want to do, but you know that they'll make you money, they'll make you rich. You feel what I'm saying? Now, understand that cleaning your bathroom, it can put you ahead because not many people want to do that. However, you know that it's going to make you rich. You feel feel what I'm saying? Now, this was a little bit of a short video because I just wanted to give y'all some, you know what I'm saying, some pointers and like motivation and stuff like that. But I have another video out for y'all, man. Appreciate y'all watching the whole video, man. Peace.